Hey guys, Robert here. WINDWATER here in Parrish, Florida. New construction community by Mattamy Homes. This is a national builder, one of the top builders, I would say, in my opinion, as far as quality goes. When I've inspected some of their work, I've really enjoyed looking at their craftsmanship and some of their finished products, the way they design their communities, and the way they present themselves on a personal level and like a business level, customer service, everything of that nature, guys. I really do like their style. So I'm going to give you a tour of WINDWATER in Parrish. This is a no CDD community, guys. This is in Parrish, Florida. This is almost in Lakewood Ranch. I mean, you're like maybe a mile from the Fort Hammer Bridge. So this is Fort Hammer Road right here, and it's like 1 mile to the, as you can see, there's the entrance. Like 1 mile, you're at the Fort Hammer Bridge, then you're basically like in Lakewood Ranch, and you can get parish pricing, you know, and if you still have that Lakewood Ranch lifestyle, guys. So stay tuned, follow me. Alright guys, I'm here at the clubhouse. It's not quite done yet, but it is getting close. So I would say maybe another 30 days. You tell me. I think they just gotta do the landscaping. We got the pool filled now. Got about ready to put the cabanas in. I'm doing some punch out repairs. Looking good, guys. So nice little veranda area to hang out and chill and escape this heat. It's hot out today. Welcome to WINDWATER, new construction community by Mattamy Homes. That's Matt and Amy Homes, been in business for 45 years, which is a private builder doing about 8,000 homes per year. This is a residential development offering an idyllic blend of modern living and natural surroundings, nestled amidst breathtaking landscapes of the Manatee County, Florida, the old Florida feeling with a beautiful river and leads out to the Tampa Bay and beautiful beaches. This community showcases a range of thoughtfully designed floor plans to suit every lifestyle. In comprehensive description, we will explore the Isle Royal, the Pinnacle, Glades, the Redwood floor plans, each offering a unique features. This is a very nice floor plan. As you walk in the front door, you come off to the left here, and this is a retreat. So you have a living room, and in the back of that you have basically like an office. You have a bathroom and a bedroom right off the front left. So this is your retreat, is what they call that. They offer many different elevations in this layout. Then you go off to the rest of the house. Kind of reminds me a little bit of the Camden that D.R. Horton offers. I've sold one of those and a couple of those in Bella Lago. You can check out my video on Bella Lago, and that'll show you the Camden come down off to the right, guys, and you'll have the kind of like a drop zone, a half bathroom, garage is on the right, laundry room on the left, big laundry room, oversized laundry room. Has a deep little pocket there with a sink, and another bedroom. So, with its own bathroom. As this is like another like mini master. This is like a multi-generational house. Everyone can have their kind of own space, as you can see. Very exclusive, very, very original. It's a very wide home site. I believe these are on 60-foot home sites. Open kitchen. As you can see, stainless steel appliance package. Great size breakfast bar. High ceilings. Lights everywhere. Lots of natural light. Large triple sliders. Open layout. It's a cool little wall there. It kind of curves, notches off instead of just squaring off. It's a big pantry. Nice backsplash in this model. Good view, good view if you're at the sink doing the dishes. You get a water view with the pool, and you can see the whole living room, and you're right there in the mix. Like I said, nice size pantry. You come off here into your living room area, and you have another slider here. Master bedroom. Comes off into the master bath with his and her walk-in closets. It's a nice community, guys. Less than 300 home sites to share the amenity center, which is excellent. No CDD. Home sites are spread out nicely. You have a lot of wide sites in this community. So if you don't want to be right on top of each other like you may feel like you are in some other communities that are new construction, this may be the answer, guys. Now here we have the Pinnacle. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,300 square feet, 2,355. Could fluctuate to 2,373. 2-car garage. As you come in, you have your glass door in the front, glass front entryway. It's got the flex space as well. Here's the layout right here, as you can see. 1-story ranch, guys. They have a lot of nice 1-story options here at WINDWATER. That's one thing that a lot of builders they're doing a lot of 2 stories. When it comes to if you're looking for a builder who has wider home sites, has nice 1-story layouts that are very common. You don't have a bunch of 2 stories towering over you in the neighborhood. This is probably place for you. They got a lot of nice water lots and preserve lots. The excellent location, guys, right on Fort Hammer, right near the Fort Hammer Bridge, or you can shoot right over to 301 and catch I-75 within about 10-15 minutes, depending on traffic or the time of the day. This comes into the open layout again, guys. Nice big triple slider, covered lanai. Big breakfast bar, nice countertops in this one. You come through here and it's like your owner's suite is down here, and then you come off to the left and you have, another 2-bedroom, 1-bath over here. So it's not like super split, I guess. This isn't like your 2 bedroom, 1 bath would be down at the other end of the house. It's kind of actually right next to the master, even though it doesn't share the wall. It does set back, but it's not bad, guys. It's a nice layout, nice master, big walk-in closet, nice master bath. As you can see, guys, everything's looking real nice in this model here. So it's definitely has a lot of value, has a lot of potential to be a great home for your future. Here we have the Red Rock. This is my favorite one. This has the game room, flex space with the 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage. Need I say more? Tall doors. As you walk in, you get the video doorbell. Come right in. Here's your office. Get that out of the way. You already got an office coming in the front door. Wide entryway. Then you have your 1 bedroom here. Bathroom. Another bedroom. Boom. There's your 2 bedroom, 1 bath. Get that out of the way. Come down the hall, take another right. Big laundry room. Half bath. Boom. Got that out of the way. Come down on the left. Dining room. Separated. Love it. Look at that huge island. Look at this huge kitchen. This kitchen's awesome. It's got the little breakfast kitchen over here on the right with the pantry. It's got a huge pantry, hidden pantry. Drop zone right here coming in off of the garage. Then you walk right over into the game room. Well, this can be your theater, whatever you would like it to be. This is pretty nice, guys. This is an exclusive feature that no other builder offers, at least in this vicinity. Then you come out here, guys. Nice covered lanai. Nice views on all these lots. Tray ceilings. Here's your master. Look at this. Big walk-in closets, his and her walk-in closets. Huge walk-in shower. Glassed off, double walk-in shower, his and hers. Shower heads on each side. Split vanities, oversized vanities. It's a nice master. You walk through here. This one doesn't have a pool, but like I said, guys, this is the only builder that offers pools. So if you want a pool, it's an option to get before closing, to have it done, have it built while you're building the house. Another multi-generational bedroom here with its own bathroom. That's it, guys. So come into the Glades. This is another nice little 3 bedroom, 2 bath with the flex space. 2,000 square feet, 2005 to be exact. Another ranch, 1 story. Come in here, a little hallway to get down to the front door. Covered front area. In case it's raining, you're definitely not getting water inside the door. Has your smart panel when you walk in, and you come off to the left here, and you got a 1 bedroom, 1 bath right here on the left. So there's that. And then here would be your garage, 2-car garage. This one has the epoxy on the floor, hot water heater there. Here's your flex space. This could be your office, could be another bedroom if you needed it. If you need this to be a 4 bedroom. Come down here is your other bedroom with its own bathroom. So there's actually more bathrooms, I think, than it said on the sign. I think this is a 3-3. So I'm seeing, here's your laundry room. Good size. Not like in the middle of the garage as you walk in, so it's not inconveniently located. Open kitchen, breakfast bar, nice cabinets, stainless steel appliances. This has the quadruple sliders, I think. The oversized quadruple sliders. Dining area over here to the left. Here's your master. Master's got lots of natural light, nice windows in it. It's your master bath. Very functional. Good features. Laid out well. Nothing is awkward. Some models, they try to overdo it. They awkwardly place things because they run out of places to stick things, and then you're like, why is this here? So as you can see, this community, they have really nice floor plans. Less than 300 homes in the community to just share the amenity center. So in your HOA payment, which is only $110 a month, that's your only fee. There's no CDD. So in that, you're covering your gated community, your pool, your playground, and basically your landscaping and the clubhouse and the bathrooms. So, and it's pretty simple, guys. Have a very unique builder. I don't know if you know this, but Parrish is blowing up. This place is blowing up, as you know. It's just going crazy. They're putting in a new park, a new school, a new shopping center. Every time you turn around, new Crunch just opened. That's cool. They're putting in all kinds of new everything. Like anything that any other major American city has is going to be here within 10 years. It's going to be a fully built out city, Parrish, Florida, and the value is going to stay here. So great place to live, great place to invest. It's a great place to watch this place grow, and a great place to grow with your family, guys. So yeah, Mattamy Homes, WINDWATER, Parrish, Florida, on the Fort Hammer Road, close to Bradenton. Can't beat it, guys. Great prices, great incentives. Look at this community, guys. It's they're moving. They're not playing around. This place, another year, it'll be basically done. You won't see. It'll be sold out, basically. They'll probably have a few lots left. But smash the likes, guys. Hit the subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.